Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this delicious porridge using unripe plantain or green plantains. I will start by boiling and blending these onions, fresh tomatoes, tatashe and some scotch bonnet pepper which I have here. And here are the unripe or green plantains which I'll be using. I've washed them thoroughly. I'll go ahead now, peel and slice them into tiny pieces. When that is done, I'll heat up a pot, adding about 3 tablespoons of palm oil. When the oil heats up, I'll add in my chopped onions. Fry for about a minute. Add about a teaspoon of garlic first and continue to fry. After stir frying the onions for about 2 minutes, I'll then add my chicken breast here, which I've already cut and seasoned with little salt and a little chicken seasoning. After frying the chicken in the palm oil, I'll then add in the boiled and blended pepper and tomato mix. I will season the sauce with some seasoning cubes. I'm using chicken seasoning cubes here. Some crayfish powder, about 2 tablespoons of that. I'll then add some salt, curry powder, and the thyme. I will stir properly and then cover it to cook for some minutes. After about 5 or 7 minutes, our sauce is ready now to receive the chairman of this occasion. That is our cut grain plantains. After pouring in the plantains, I'll add enough water to cover the plantain, then stir and allow to cook until the plantain is soft enough. When the plantain is well cooked, I'll add in some carrots to it. Cover and allow it to cook for about a minute before we add in other vegetables that we have. Try this recipe, you will come back here to testify. It's very delicious. So after about a minute, I'll now stir the porridge properly. And then I have some chopped scent leaves, moringa leaves, and the green bell pepper here that I'll add to it. It's hot to make. Thumbs up. I just added a little more crayfish to it. I'll stir everything together and our green plantain porridge is done. Thank you all for watching. Please help me give the video a thumbs up and also share the video. And to all that have been sharing my video, may God bless you all. To my new subscribers, you are highly welcome to the family. God bless you all. And if you are yet to subscribe, please subscribe. To my old subscribers, you are the real VIP. God bless you all. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye-bye.